Welcome in, welcome in. Over on the Cloud V2 channel in Unity's Discord, people have been asking how Sogurt stacks up against the Cloud V2. Even though I've already done sound tests of both individually, there isn't a direct comparison yet. So if you're trying to decide which one to grab, this sound test is for you. Both switches are going to be done on the Neo60 Core with a CF plate, back to back, so you can hear the differences. Let's get on with the sound. Welcome back. That was the Cloud V2 and the Sogurt back to back on the Neo Core. Both are solid new HMX switches, but they each have a different character. If you want to hear the full Cloud V2 sound test, it's right here. And if you want to check out the 5-plate Sogurt showdown, it's right here. While you're here, don't forget to like and subscribe, it really helps the channel. And if you're picking up switches or keycap, check out the affiliate links in the description and use code ShilohCutis for a discount.